Hey everybody, going live. I have a secret way. I just figured out how to generate my own rock chip business. There's this car right here and a rock right here. I'm just gonna chuck it at the window and make a rock chip and repair it. Check this out. I'm not showing what car it is so I don't get in trouble. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. Are you kidding me? I'm honest rock chip. Come on, everybody. Shame on you. Hey, anyway, just letting you know I'm out and about today fixing rock chips. That's my car. Hey, send me a message or give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Let me know if you have a rock chip you want me to fix. Super easy to do for you. It takes just a few minutes of your time and I'll work on it while you eat more turkey and stuff. Let me know. We'll talk to you soon. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving yesterday.